Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to stop auto-reply on Gmail using the latest method. If you've ever set up an out-of-office auto-reply and now need to turn it off, the process is simple and quick. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. This is the easiest way to manage your email settings when you're on the go. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner. You'll see the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap it to open the menu. Next, scroll through the menu until you see Settings and tap on it. This will take you to the main settings page where all your Gmail accounts are listed. If you have more than one account connected, be sure to choose the one where you have the auto-reply turned on. Tap on that specific email account to enter its individual settings. Now, scroll down through the options until you find Out of Office AutoReply. This is where Gmail stores the details for any automated responses you've set up. Tap on it to open the auto-reply page. Here, you'll see an option to turn the out-of-office auto-reply on or off. If it's currently enabled, all your incoming emails are getting automatic responses based on the message you've written before. To stop this from happening, simply turn the out-of-office auto-reply off by toggling the switch. Once you've done that, make sure to tap Save. This is important because without saving, your changes won't take effect. After you hit Save, Gmail will immediately stop sending automated replies to incoming messages, and your email activity will return to normal. And that's it, you've successfully stopped auto-reply on Gmail. Whether you're back from vacation, wrapping up a work trip, or just ready to reply manually again, switching it off is quick and effortless. If you found this guide helpful, you can now get back to managing your emails without automated messages going out.